Kalaflai atu, hane hata tolu atau walatal tutupu ke lata ia me pauli ponei. Greetings and kalaflai atu, these are our news bulletin for tonight. Kua kamata e ngahua ke whale aonga ne toka atu ki leo lau. Ne tausia e tā whamunuinaanga ke he whanua aonga ke lata mai whakwhauanga he tau poko aonga i lunga ke lata mai wha e poko ke nonofo e tau tangata o whenonga. Whakatupe he mtakau European Union e tau whakaholoanga ne kua tausia ki leo lau. Pe mai takita ke kautū ko Sir Toketalangi e hana a tauwhia a kua kamata e ngahua ki leo lau pia whoki ni moe whono takitaki maanga whalataha me tau tangata ki loto he maanga. Ha kua molea e hongo fulu e tautau he whakatutala tō kisia ai e tau ngahua. Koe ama mana kianga he whakatu whono moe maanga ke latu me whakaholoanga nei koe tahapuhala mua tupe ke langmataia ki e tau ngahua ki loto he maanga. Koe kautaha ne kua ngahua atu ki leo lau, koe Mautama Constructions mai whahinga hua shop export ke lata me tau koloa tā whale. Kua manaki ke mau pōpō e matakahua nei ke he lotonga he tau uawhi mai hongwhuma hiva. Koe aho whatātā he maanga kua whakahoko ke he maale he maanga ha kua lawe ai e whanua i leo lau. The Awasele Leolo project have finally started after almost 10 years of waiting. A short blessing was held at Leolo School in August. The plan is to turn the top part of the Leolo School into 4 accommodation units and 1 dormitory. Sir Toketalangi expressed his thanks to the village for supporting the project and is very happy that the project is finally commencing. The Awasele Village Council thanked the government for bringing the project to the village and hopes the accommodation developments will benefit the village. The funding for the renovations were sourced from the European Union Fund secured by government. Mautama Constructions are the successful contractors in partnership with Shop Exports. The Leolo project is expected to be completed in the next 12 months. This year, the village show day has been moved from Leolo to the village green. Kua kamata tā langa e whalefo ke lata mo e tau lekua tutupu whakaofo he motu ki whanua kula. Taha poini tahe miliona tā la e tau tupe katoa toa ke tā langa ki e whale nei, koe kautaha Building Safety and Resilience ki loto he Pasifika, Ministry of Defence i Nisilani, mo e whakatuwhanoha niwe ni ko laumatai ke whakatupe ai e matangahua nei. Kua amana ki e whale nei ke whakaonga he whahinga hoa le veki ke tau le kua tutupu whakaofo, whahinga hoa leo leo, tā masi awhi mai whahi malolo sino ke he tau māho ka tupu e tau le kua whakaofo. Pehe mai e takitaki leo leo, kua moalea e wha e tau tau he whakatutala mai tause e tau palana ke lata mai whale nei mai kua whiawhia ha kua kamata e tau ngahua. Kua matakau ngahua Mautama Constructions ke tā langa e whale mai kau ngahua mai kua ngahua whalataha mai matakau Shop Export ke maua e tau koloa tā whale. Ama manaki ke mau pōpō ke he hongfu maua e mahina i mua. The construction of the new National Emergency Building have commenced. The purpose of the building is to be the focal point of all emergency plans where it will house the Niue Police and the Niue Management Disaster Office. Funding was provided by the Building Safety and Resilience in the Pacific Project, Ministry of Defence in New Zealand and the Niue government. The National Emergency Building will act as the main centre for all emergencies. According to the Niue Chief of Police, the department is pleased that the construction have started after 4 years of discussions and planning. Mautama Construction is the builders and is working in partnership with Shop Export as the building material suppliers. The National Emergency Building is expected to be ready within the next 12 months. Kua molea e tōlu e seo e tau wala whao ne tā piki mau ke he taua, ke lali ke whakatupu olasea e tau whao. Ko Rami Ovid, hana kautaha Magical Niue, ne matapatu e whekau nei me fuaki hana tau mga aho ke uku ke he matakawi ne tokai e tau whao nei. Laui e motu he tau uawhi me hangflu maono, mga aho ne mawhana lahi e vai, he motu mo e maskelea po ke mamase whalo e tau whao, ka kānoa ia ne kua kumikumi a rami mo e hana matakau ka langmatai ki e tau kaina, hane ko e tau whao ulu ulu, mai tau koloa moana ne whalanaki, whakalahi ke tau whao ulu ulu, mua atu ke alo tolu e tau tangata ne whalanaki, foki mo maua e tau kaitahi. Ono e matakau ha rami ke uta e tau whao tutupu, ke tau toua, ke tau kawi kehe ki iniwe, whaingoa koe transplant, ke tau ahui mua. Koe taha langataua nei ke lata mo e puipuianga, ke tau whao ulu ulu, tau kai, mai tau tangata, mai longa fokini, ke tau matangi malolo, he tau a wha ne wha maumauai e tau whao. It's taken over a year, but Rami Oved, owner of Magical Niue, has finally revealed Niue's pilot coral reef nursery now has 300 corals, which they hope after an additional year will transplant to the certain areas around Niue, with at least 20 to 30 in each area. The nursery, initially funded by the Ridge to Reef, following the bleaching events in 2016, has progressed largely due to the donated dive and boat time by the owner himself, who is supported also by volunteer divers and his staff. Niue's corals were especially impacted by the coral bleaching events in 2016. Coral reefs support 25% of marine life and is important for food security. And that is all of our news bulletin for tonight. Of course, mena tolo ata wala tatu tupu ke lata ia mapuli pone. Ke nono wha me ke amni ne po.